Hi everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. This week I'm going to dive into windmill-labs. Let's take a look. Okay, first thing that jumps out to me, 67% of PRs come from community contributors and about 33% from the core team. So that's pretty impressive engagement, prioritizing community. There's that 100% review merge rate. So, as usual, every single PR gets reviewed before going in. And that's serious commitment to code quality, I would have to say. But here's the interesting part. So, while they do review everything, there's that 100% review rate, 14% actually gets approved. So, that might sound low or might have sort of a negative connotation to it, but I think it's actually pretty smart. They're welcoming as many contributions as possible for discussion and feedback, but they maintain really high standards for what actually makes it into the code base. And yeah, wow, look at these processing times. So about 1.8 to 2 minutes overall median wait time. So that's really fast. Plus, there's that 1.9 to 2 hour median merge time once things get approved. So that actual workflow, it works pretty fast. But what's cool about this is if you do some research on Windmill-labs' repo, it mirrors a lot of like their platform philosophy. They're sort of building tools to make workflows efficient and work faster. And internally, they've created this system where community is a huge impact and their input flows very freely and quality control is very rigorous. And it's sort of like they've optimized for both that high engagement and standards simultaneously, pretty much. And the review turnaround time is 16 hours, which gives people time and the team time to provide thoughtful feedback. But once decisions are made, things move really fast with that 1.9 hour merge time. So if you are interested in developer tools, or if you just want to see what what the best collaboration can look like, it's definitely worth checking out this repo. That's it for this week. Drop me any suggestions you might have for next week's repo, and we'll see you then. Bye.